Hello, welcome to Schoolbest tutorials. In these tutorials, we are going to look at how we can add uniform and assign it to student. On your menu, head to uniforms, click on uniform items. This is where you add all your uniform items. Click on the new uniform item button at the top right. Then enter the item name, their shirt, enter the color, specify the category, whether it is a uniform or a sports attire or others. In this case it's a uniform. Then select the gender. In this case my shirt for boys, so I'll select male. You can attach a photo for this particular uniform item, then click on save item. Once done, you will be redirected to this page where you can see that these are shirt, the uniform, and here you'll be required to add the sizes that you have. Click on add size at the top right. Here there will be a list of all the sizes. Just enter the amount next to the size that you have. Let's say I have small, which I'm charging 300. Have a medium one, 350. I have large for 500, and I have extra large for 650. So you can add depending on the uniform item size. Then click on save item size, and that will be saved. So you can see the pricing again is the sizes. You can also change this price. Just enter the new price and save changes. Here you also require to enter the stock. How many of small shirt sizes do you have? So I'll click on add stock at the top right. I have 15 small shirts, 10 medium ones, 9 large ones, and let's say 6 extra large. I'll click on add stock and I can see the numbers here. Once that is done, now you can add this uniform item to your student's invoice. So head back to uniforms, then I'll click on uniform cut. I will select the student. Here I'll click on select uniform item, and this part is gender sensitive. So if you're adding uniform to a boy, you'll only see gender that is unisex and also uniform that you specified as male. The same will happen to the females. So I'll add a sweater, this size large. Evans needs 2 sweaters. Then I'll click add to invoice, and you see it on this end, it has been added. If I added the wrong one, I can click on the X, then delete. It will be removed from the invoice. He also requires a shirt, medium, large size. He needs 3. Then I'll click add to invoice, and the same will be added here. If I want to see a list of all the uniforms that I have allocated to students, I'll head to uniforms. I'll click on student uniform, and here I'll have that list. And as we can see, we're having Francis and the 2 items we have added for Evans. If I click on the invoice number, this one should take me to Evans invoice, and we can see uniform has been assigned here. The sweater, the size, and the cost, the same to the shirts, and the total will be here. And that is how we add uniform items and assign them to students' invoices. Thank you.